slight chance of rain later tonight. We have a cold front coming in next week, so make sure you bundle up. Stay safe. Back to you, Richie.
This is absurdity. When will you cease to speak? It's noon and you've been talking since 9.
9 in the afternoon. My favorite time of day.
Pardon?
Do you know Obama?
Obama.
Why would I know a man like him?
I don't know. You look pretty important to me.
My intelligence is not a sign of importance. Actually, it can be quite the opposite these days. For example, look at the front page of People's Magazine. The individual on the front is rarely, if ever, someone of intellect. There's no humor in sanity.
That reminds me. One time I saw a cat walking out of a grocery store. He had a plastic bag in one hand and a cup of coffee in the other. Do you know what was in the bag?
Tell me.
Oh, I forgot. That's why I'm asking you.
Obama. Important.
Do you mind if I...
Such a disgusting creature! Eat me already and put me out of my misery. Your mere presence disgusts me.
Hey man, I just want to chill out on this wire, okay? No need to attack me like that.
Your kind killed my grandma. I refuse to show any amount of decency towards cold-blooded murderers.
But we don't even...
Enough said, you pure being of filth. Fly away from this place if you wish to live.
Don't you think that was a bit harsh?
No. Vultures are beings of evil and darkness. I refuse to be kind.
I like vultures. They get rid of pesky roadkill.
And my grandma.
Okay, I guess.
Obama. Intelligence.
Have you ever seen a cow roaming a Dillard's? I heard about the news a few days ago. Imagine that. Being so hateful towards a cow that you make a huge deal about one going about their day.
Huge deal. China?
Ooh, I've been to China before. It smelled really good in there. I got spring rolls and fried rice. I tried to eat with chopsticks, but it was too hard. China is the best food I've ever had, though.
I simply do not know what either of you were talking about. Why don't we just relax and listen to the radios from the passing cars? Rest our vocal cords a bit before we chirp tomorrow morning.
My human would be so mad if I did that.
Human?
Yeah, she's just down the road. Do you want me to go get her?
I'd rather you not. Humans are idiotic creatures. If it wasn't for their thumbs, they would not rule as they do today.
Well, mine gives me food, so I like...
Food! Hurry, quick! We must go to McDonald's. Fast! I suspect that... And I can't speak on it either.
Is it about that horrid vulture?
No. China.
Did vultures really kill your grandma?
How dare you doubt my words, you stupid bird! Do you question my integrity? Do you know who I am?
Not really.
I am the one without a grandma. The vultures, they are evil.
Mr. Crow!
What?
Would you like a Happy Meal?
What?
Here, have a Happy Meal. It will make you happy.
Okay. But as I was saying, I hate vultures. I know. I know now. They did not eat my grandma. They don't even eat living creatures. This Happy Meal.
Hello, Grand Crow.
Grandma!
I thought you died.
No, I am alive.
Epic.
Death is inevitable.
I'm sorry I accused you of killing my grandma. Yeah, I know better now. The Happy Meal. It's made me not racist.
It's okay. I forgive you.
It's all a plot.